Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to sell direct on Facebook with Facebook Shop. Let's get started. If you are selling products and you have a Facebook business page, you must have a Facebook Shop to promote your items on Facebook. First, go to your Facebook page, then go to the Settings menu, then tap Templates and Tabs. And from the list of tabs, look for the Shop tab. Then hold and drag this icon to move the Shop tab on the first section of your page's menu. Going back to the Home tab, you can see the Shop tab is already shown here. In this section, you can see that you can start selling from this page. Now click Get Started. These are the steps that you will need to start setting up your shop. First, choose a checkout method that allows you to give your customers a way to pay. Then provide your business details, then add your products. Now click Next. So you need to choose a checkout method from these two options. You can choose to check out on another website, and the customers will be redirected to your site as they click on the product on your Facebook shop. If you don't have an e-commerce site, you can choose to check out with messaging. This option allows customers to send you a direct message if they're interested in the products that you are selling on your Facebook shop. Next, start connecting to a business account. A business account gives you access to your Commerce Manager. If you have multiple business accounts, choose one account to connect to your Facebook page. You can create a new business account here. Just choose this option and the business name will show up here. By default, it will show as your Facebook page name, but you can change this to a different one for your business. Then type in your business email. If these data are correct, click Next. Now create a catalog, then type in your catalog name. It will hold the inventory of items that you would like to sell. Check this box to agree to the catalog manager's terms and policies. Now this page shows the summary of the checkout method that you prefer, the business name, the business email, and the catalog name. If you need to edit some of these data, you can click Edit and make the changes. Check this box to submit your shop for review. Now you can see the message, Welcome to your shop. Since you have seen this message, it means that your commerce account has passed the review. Now you can start viewing your shop or customizing your shop. Now let's add items to our shop. Go to your catalog. Under Items, click Add Items. From the drop-down list, you can choose to add multiple items or add one item. When adding items, you have the option to choose Manual, Data Feed, or Pixel. Manual is recommended for a small inventory that rarely changes. The Data Feed is recommended if you manage your inventory using sheets, and Pixel is recommended for dynamic ads. For now, let's choose the Manual option. Add the first item here. First upload the image, then click Save. Then write the title in the section. Then type in the description of your product. Then input the price in this text box. Make sure it's your currency, and if the item is on sale, include the sale price here. Now choose a category, and select the condition if it's new or used. By default, it is active, which means that this item is visible to your page visitors. Input the brand. Now if you have different variants for this item, such as different colors, you can click on this variant icon to add more variants here. For this item, all the information is automatically filled out. Now click Upload Items. Wait until the items are added to your catalog. Now go to the overview of your Commerce Manager, then publish your shop. Now we can customize the layout of your Facebook shop. By default, the optimized layout is enabled. This is useful so that the items that each visitor will view in your shop will depend on the interest of the viewer. If it's not enabled, all the viewers will see the same order of products in your Facebook shop. If you click Add New, you can create collections or add a product. Now for collections, choose a style. You can choose a cover image collection or a product grid collection. To add a collection, you should add more items to your catalog. Once added, you should enter a short descriptive name for this collection. Then add more details to your collection if you prefer. Then choose a color for the button if you want to customize it, and you can see it in the preview section. Then click Publish Updates. Choose this option if you are certain that you comply with the commerce policies. Then click Submit. You will be notified when the review is complete. If there are no issues with your product, then you can see the products in your shop within 24 hours. Until your products get approved, you will see this text under Issues as in Review. And once your items are approved, your customers will see a Facebook shop section on your Facebook page, and you can sell directly on Facebook using your Facebook shop. If you need to get free organic YouTube traffic with #1 rankings that will stick forever, we have a marketing app that can help you rank your YouTube videos using TubeRank Jeet. You can get perfect titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags. Use which keywords are easy to rank on YouTube. Get exact optimizations that you need to rank #1. You can keep collections of your favorite channels, videos, tags, and hashtags. You can optimize any video in minutes. You can find niches and keywords that can help you rank easily. Know exactly how much traffic you can expect. Discover the perfect title and descriptions. Place the perfect tags or hashtags to put in your video and attract free organic traffic without using ads. It's the easiest YouTube ranking and traffic system invented. Identify the keywords you want to rank, follow TubeRank Jeet's instructions, and enjoy the traffic. So try TubeRank Jeet now. Go to tuberankjeet.com/sales. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.